Buju Misquanung Indigenous Gitcha Onaguming and Da. I'm Eric Reddix, the host of Anishinaabe Bizindamumacuk on WTIP. In each episode, we invite you to listen to stories and teachings in both English and Ojibwe Moen. As my friend and teacher Majigoniash has said, it is speaking our language that brings us peace and balance. I hope you enjoy the story. Nimigwitcha Waindum, Bizindawayeg. Thank you for listening.
Buju, nin ugamago ne big, beba mashandigo. Nigigo semenikaning omanin donji, washashkindo dem, migwech away a sema.
In this episode, I continue my conversation with Nigagunt Seminikaning First Nation Elder and First Speaker Nancy Jones. What are some of the other reasons we wait to tell our sacred stories or Adazokan until the winter?
Me Japane, Gipinon Danan at Sokanan. No commerce, me no mishomis, given the Magog at Sokanan Gitibekak. Mita Shuga Akidut, Giguinuika, Gigi Shikakat Soke, Katso, Tashidan again at Sokanan. Omak Giganona, Nick. Me Gip is in the Ningego, got into Mago, and Gain Gianoitanzi. Basic me nom in Timo and give in the Magaban. Basic instant away, or ski nene, Gawin, Gipis in the sea. Ah, the scanning got okay. He neeping it, that's okay, Gishikak. Is that no I got? Nagat go Magasha, Gomat, Sogonagak. Baba Yaog instant enough mingo, Papa Mois walk Magasha. Good thing isn't to give Sakam gate, and I need my Pagioni Gamigo. Penegonam is there, go shouts, coset to now. We go get more show shouts, coset and see her. Oh, no scare. Me, we get out so came him. You know, Nanica Mocky. Me go get this now with some quick one. Kashkoma. Monsieur Magno. He get no Nanica Mocky. You took Maggie, can the Moga Banan guy and need to go with that so kid. He need it. He went to Indigo in Monarchy in Shinabek. When I was growing up, I heard a lot of legends, Nanabush legends, and they were told at nighttime, evening. I think it was my father or my grandma's father that said that you don't tell legends in the daytime, because if you do, a frog is gonna suck blood out of you. I don't know if that was just for me to be scared of not doing it, but I did pay attention to what their teachings. I didn't say how come. I just listened, so I didn't do it. And I don't know who told me this. My grandma maybe. There was this young man, one of these guys. I don't believe that. That's bull. So he told a story. He told a legend during the daytime. That's not going to happen. Well, nothing happened. And that night, so see, told you, nothing happened. And I don't know, maybe a few days later, a few weeks later, they were out blueberry picking. They were on their little huts, their little tents or wigwam. And this young man comes out of his wigwam and he's walking out, and he was they had blue all over, green all over, and even your arms. And see, we told you. See, that's the frog that did that to you. See, let me see your back. Whoa, you're black and blue all over. And I don't know what happened. I think it was just a lesson to be told later on. I never tell this legend during the daytime. But I worked in the States quite a bit, and I meet a lot of different people. And I met a lady there. She said they tell a story during the daytime. So everybody has their own way of their own teachings. And the teachings I talk about is only for what I was raised, how I was raised. I see people do other things other than my and I respect their ways because that's their way. That's the way they were brought up. They were told.
Tune in for new episodes every month and find other stories and teachings on the program page at WTIP.org.